Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to change your artboard sizing in Illustrator. So you can see here I've got 10 artboards, and typically this will be my template for a carousel. And if I just go to one of my recent carousels, you can see the size that I use for Instagram is 1080 by 1080. So you can see they stretch all the way across. And the thing is, with Instagram you can actually do a artboard 1350 by 1080. So the fastest way to change the size is click Shift O, left click on the artboard, and then on the top hand section you'll see you'll get a whole bar of parameters. So we can change the width and the height, which is W for the width and the H for height. So you can see I'm going to click on height, select it and type 1350 on the keyboard, and it should automatically change it to pixels, because whatever your document sizing is, then it'll make it like millimeters or pixels, whatever it is. So you can see now the artboard is changed, but all the other artboards are the same. So if I want to change all of them at once, all I have to do is press Shift O, and then holding Shift, left click on each of the artboards. So I'm left clicking all the artboards like this. I'll go back to height, type 1350, press enter, and now all the artboards are the same now. And then what you can do, you can go to file and save this as a template and save it somewhere, which will be really cool. And then I can go ahead and design my carousel, you know, the way I want it. Add the text. Another quick way, if you want more options when you want to change the size, you can go to your artboard window, click on window, and then you can go all the way down to artboard here, and you can see all my artboards are laid out. What I can do is, if I go to the right hand side, you can see the icon for the artboard tool. I'll double click that. So this will open the artboard options box for my first artboard. And you can see here, I can change the width and height here as well. I can change the positioning on the actual document. I can click a preset. Maybe I want a certain size like A4 and then, or whatever I want, and I can change that. I can show the center mark if I want that on, and I can turn these display features like I'll just turn it on just for the sake of this tutorial. And then I can have these global settings here and press OK. And you can see now it added those crosshairs and those guides, and it moved it and changed the sizing. So that's another way you can change the artboard size in your document. But it's a really handy tool to get used to it, because you know, if you're going to create brand identities and different social media graphics and things like this, it's good to know how to change your artboards really easily. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an amazing week. Remember to subscribe and like this video for more content every week.